Today I'm going to be doing a 15-minute HIIT session with a skipping rope. So these are really cheap. You can get these on Amazon or eBay, you know, a few quid. Perfect bit of kit to have at home or if you're traveling, because you can do those. That's killer on the calves. That's skipping. So lunge jumps, okay? Nice straight back, jump, jump, and again, 15 seconds. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. That's as good as hill sprints, that is. That really is for heart rate. My calves are pumped. Right, 15 seconds. Lunge jumps feel like a break after that. They feel like a rest. Right, I've got this interval timer set on for every 30 seconds, so when you hear the bell we stop, and then when you hear it again we restart on the next exercise, okay? So it's going to go every 30 seconds. Keep up with me as fast as you can, really work for it, okay? We're going to go in 4 seconds with a skip in. 3, 2, let's go. So high knees and fast, okay? As quick as you can for 30 seconds. Brilliant. So from the side. Oh, you will, that's going to happen, just keep going. 10 seconds left. Last push, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, brilliant. So, skipping rope down. That's our first exercise. The next one's going to be the lunge jumps. Okay, so 30 seconds of those. That's killer on the calves. Right, so we're starting again in 10 seconds. Okay, all out skipping. Let's go. Same again. Really quick from the side. Ten seconds to go, keep it up. Speed. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Good work. Grab a drink. I need to stretch my calf. So you might get cramps or stretch, you know, if you have to stretch, just pause the video and stretch. Really works the calves of skipping because you're kind of like hopping on each foot.